you all are doing well this morning. Today is Friday, August 26th. And this morning in our devotional, it says overcoming evil. So let's see what it says this morning. 1 John chapter 5, verse 4. Whatever is born of God overcomes the world, and this is the victory that has overcome the world, our faith. John chapter 16, verse 33. These things I have spoken to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you may have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. Romans 12, verse 21. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. 1 John chapter 5, verse 5. Who is he who overcomes the world, but he who believes that Jesus is the Son of God? Romans chapter 8, verse 37. We are more than conquerors through him who loved us. John chapter 1, verse 4 and 5. The world gave life to everything that was created, and his life brought light to everyone. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness can never extinguish it. Psalm chapter 118, verse 14. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has given me victory. And Deuteronomy chapter 20, verse 4. The Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight for you against your enemies, to give you victory. And at the bottom it says, our strength and victory come from our relationship with Jesus, who has achieved the victory on our behalf. Jesus withdrew in prayer before every major event, and prior to performing miracles, he approached his Father and thanked him. Satan's temptations are overcome by knowing the Word and being obedient to it. For you to be able to overcome the world and all its forces, you have to pray and know his Word. And that is a very, very, very good devotional. And hey, you all know me. I am not making this up. It's what it says. Look at that. And that's what I've been telling you all about, knowing God's Word for yourself, reading it for yourself. Prayer and reading God's Word is not a work. It's the only way you're going to overcome the devil. James chapter 4, verse 7, it says, therefore submit to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Many people leave that first part out of submitting to God. You submit to him. You line up with his Word. You're obedient to his Word. Then you resist the devil and he'll flee. Don't forget the first part of that verse. Okay? I love you guys. I'm not feeling the greatest this morning. I've been up half the night, not feeling well, but God's Word has to get out every day. Just a little bit. That's why I do these for you all. I love you guys. Keep me in your prayers. Like I said, I'm not feeling too well today, but I'm sure it's nothing serious. I'm sure it's probably allergies more than anything. But I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. I love you guys.